Here's Live Status app. Let's just do a quick overview of what the whole hype is about. So this app is kind of one of the competitors to Locket Widget or Noted app. And the idea of this app is that you can share widgets with your friends, and in these widgets you can send either photos, either draw something, or send text messages. So that's that. Like in Locket Widget, you can only send camera. In Noted, you can only draw. But here we can just do everything at once. So first thing you need to do, obviously, just download the app. But then you just need to tap and hold to see the apps jiggling. And then you can just search for Live Status like that. And then you will see different types of widgets. Here you have some small one, you have bigger one. And then you just have like a widget with four different users. So for example, let's just start with simple one. So we have like a small Live Status widget. And that's basically how it works. So imagine your friends install these widgets, and then you can send photos or notes to them, and then they will instantly see that on their home screen. Like one can ask, what's the point of it? I can send it via WhatsApp, Messenger, whatever. But it's just fun if you have some close friends or relatives to instantly see it on your home screen if someone wants to send you some photo update or some note or something like that. So then basically you just have your friends. You can add your friends from anywhere, just search by username. It's super easy to add like this. You can also add friends from anywhere. There is no limitation of how many friends you can add, which is pretty cool because on Locket Widget, actually there is like 20 friends you can add only. And then you just have all your chats. You can create a group chat as well here. Create a group from your friends, invite your contacts. But then, after you did that and a friend accepted you, then for example, you can take a photo. Also here, you can add some status, which is also another interesting feature. And then you can enter some text as well. So you can draw and add some messages on the image. So it's pretty cool. Like imagine you are just sending it to some close person and it will appear on their home screen, either your friends or something like that. Try to make it fun, and then you can just select next. You can select a group from available groups, or you can just select to multiple people. You can also tap send and vanish. What that means, send and vanish means that basically the photo you can only see it once and then it will disappear. But let's just send some regular standard post, and then it will also appear in the kind of like a chat message, and then it says shown on widget. And then probably you just need to wait a bit and it will update. So there you have it. It will update here. And in top right, you see like this emoji, which is basically your status on Live Status app. So that's why it's called like that, because it also shows the status emoji. And then you can just display that on your home screen. So it's pretty fun. You can also edit widget and add like 4 different widgets from 4 different people, and then you will receive these photos from 4 different people. So once again, the idea is here I'm just testing and showing for you, but of course if you send in a photo, you send it to your friends, and imagine this is your friend's home screen where you can see photos from you and you can see photos from them. Now let's try to send like some drawing. So we can just send this smiley, whatever. And then there are all these drawing tools. There's like basic drawing tools which are available in Notes app, so it's nothing really advanced here. But there you have it. So then you just agree, and then again you can just easily send to all your friends. Basically that's the feature if you tap in, and then also just to yourself. That's also a quicker way just to select to send to yourself. And then, as you can see, it's instantly updated. So it's pretty fun, actually, super cool app. Yeah, if you go to your account, then you can just customize your photo. You can see this widget setting. You can basically check and select from who you want to receive these photos appearing on your widget. So these are all users, which you can see here. Then there are some settings. You can see account and security. Just in case, you can also delete your account here easily. So that's also an option. Then there are some privacy settings. You can block users from here. And then, yeah, you see here, there's also some instruction how you can add to the home screen and chat via widget. I think there is also a possibility to add the lock screen widget. So for that, you need to be on iOS 16 or later. And then there are also specific widgets which are called lock screen widgets, where you can just add it to your lock screen, and it's going to be pretty cool. What else here? So then you just have all your friends. You can search for friends. And then there is this another feature which is only available in US. But other than that, yeah, so that's basically the app. Is super easy to use, super intuitive. And as you can see, I'm not upgraded. I'm not paying for this app or anything. Okay, so let's just try to send one more photo. And let's just send it in the send and vanish form. So I'm just sending it, and let's see how it works. So the idea is that it will vanish after viewing. So you can only view it once. So it will appear like in the, but because I've seen it in the chat already, then it just disappeared. And then you can see that this photo is vanished. So let's try again. So here this photo should appear in the home screen widget. So basically this works also like a chat where you can just message, and then it's like that. So this means if I tap to see it now, I can only see it once, and after that it will disappear. I'll just redirect it to the chat. You can tap on it, view it, and then it's gone. So it's an interesting feature. Yeah, adding a bit more privacy. Maybe someone needs to send you some quick note or something like that. Yeah, but there you have it. Interesting feature. So hope you enjoyed it. That's just a quick overview. Definitely give a try to this app. Super interesting and fun to play with. Also, it can replace Locket Widget. It can replace Noted, Live-In, bunch of other apps. So you can just do it all in one app. And it's also available on Android and Google Play Store, just in case you have friends on these devices. So you can use it like that.